There, welcome to Learning Gnomes. And in the previous video we have seen the basic for loop. Now we are going to see an advanced one. Okay, let's just create another class. I'm just going to write it advanced for loop. Okay, select the public static void main and press finish. Okay, let's delete it. And let's copy the codes from our previous problem, that is nested if else condition. Okay, let's just copy the codes within the main method and paste it over here. Okay, so what are we going to do is we're going to consider one starting year, and then we will take one end year, okay, from the user. Let's first consider the starting year. And then let's take one integer year from the user. So once we do that, we're going to take that integer and save it in the variable year. Now let's take the for loop. Okay, once we have taken the for loop, let's give it a starting point. Like, take one integer as I. You can take anything you want and start year. Okay, and then semicolon, and then give the ending year, the year that the user will enter. Okay, then increment plus. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this entire code and paste it within, and then we will change few stuff to go with this code. So what will happen is that this will start from the starting year and it will increment one by one. Okay, so first it will start from this year and it will check whether it is divisible by 4. Then again we will change this as I, then again this one as I. As it considers all the conditions, it will go through and check whether it is a leap year or not. If it is a leap year, then we will just print the leap year. Okay, this is a leap year, just delete it and write I. Okay, this is not a leap year, so we don't need this condition. Let's just delete that. And again, this is a leap year, so let's just change it and write I know you're having trouble understanding this, but once we are done with this code, you will get a better understanding. Okay, so let's just run it. Yep, I think we are good to go. Okay, let's just run it and enter the ending year. Let's just write 1600. Okay, and press enter. See, they are giving us the leap years. Okay, so the program started like from the starting year, that is 1582, and it incremented one by one and it checked whether it is a leap year or not. So, and it ended as the given year that is given by the user. So it worked like first the year was 16. Okay, first the year was 1582, the I value. Okay, so it checked that year whether it is divisible by 4 or not. If it is divisible by 4, then it entered within this loop as I've described in the nested if else tutorial, how it worked actually. So the entire thing goes like that, and if it is divisible, or If it is a leap year, it just printed the I value, and if it's not, it just printed nothing, so we kept that empty. So that's how it worked actually. That's a simplest way to find the leap years from one point to another. You can improvise it and take that input, take the beginning input too from the user. That's more like it. So I hope you understood, and if you have any kind of problem, you can ask me by commenting below. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next video. Till then,